Let's play a simple sound file with Subtitle in Unreal Engine 4. Create a new folder, I call it Sounds. Make a new folder inside it and rename it to Monologues. Then import a test sound file into your project to play it in the scene.
This is just a simple monologue.
Make sure your audio file format is WAV. Test for once and save it. Go back to the Scene tab and add a trigger box to the scene. We want to play the sound file when the trigger gets fired. In the Details panel, uncheck the Actor Hidden in Game checkbox that lets us to see the trigger box in the game. Okay, time to work with Blueprint. Open the Level Blueprint window. Make sure you have selected the trigger box. Then right-click on the event graph. Expose Add Event for Trigger Box, Collision, and select the Add on the Actor Begin Overlap event. This event runs when an actor goes into the trigger box. But we want to run the event when the character crosses the trigger box. So we need to check the actor with the cast node to become sure it is the main character that crosses the trigger. You can see the main character is top-down character, and I did cast to top-down character as well. With the once node, we are sure this operation runs once. Then, with the sound attached node, we can play a sound file while the audio component is attached to an actor and following the specific component. In this example, we want the audio component follows the character. Let's test it. If it crosses the trigger box, we can hear the sound file is playing without subtitle.
This is just a simple monologue.
Open the sound file and add a text in the subtitles array. Save the file and close it. Open the project setting. And in the search bar type Subtitle. Make sure Subtitle Enabled is enabled. Also, you can choose a font for your subtitle. To use default engine fonts, only make sure Show Engine Content checkbox is enabled. Play it to see the result.
This is just a simple monologue.
It is so tiny. To increase the size of the font, select the font and click on the magnifier icon to go to the font location. Open the font in the right section and change the legacy font size to a higher number. Play it to become sure it works. Restart the editor if you didn't see any change in the font size. It will work. In the next section, we will create our custom widget for the subtitle.